Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. I'm going to be taking you along on another weekend vlog which started on Friday, November 18th. I enjoyed this delicious pumpkin martini at my end of the year group get together at work. You'll be seeing a little bit of Joey during this weekend vlog. We took him out with us to get a delicious breakfast at our favorite place. I'm going to take you along when I go see my hairdresser Marie, and then Bob and I will take you with us when we go on our outing on Saturday night. So come along with me. Do you want to go get breakfast? Do you want to go for the ride? Do you want to go for the ride, Joey? Do you want to go get Bobby? He hasn't come down yet. Are we going to get bacon? You get so excited. You get so excited. Are we waiting for Bobby to come down? Is he going to take us for some bacon? Is he going to take us for some bacon? Yes, he's going to. Are you excited, Joey? Well, we finished our breakfast and Bob and I are coming over to our little local turkey place where you can get Thanksgiving turkey every day of the year. But we're going to be ordering a dinner. We're actually ordering a full ham dinner for the Saturday after Thanksgiving when we're going to have all of our family over to celebrate the Thanksgiving holiday. And Joey is waiting patiently in the truck for us. Look at him in there, he's so cute. So he's pretty excited that we're coming back. So we're gonna take a ride down to the Cape Cod Canal just to kind of take a little ride and see, you know, the canal, just because it's a beautiful day and we still have Joey with us. And he needs a little potty break, so I'm gonna take him out for just a little bit and he can do his thing and get comfortable. But we have a beautiful view to just sit for a few minutes and just enjoy. Joey's just getting his water break. Well, here I am with Marie. Hello. She has the chore of dealing with my hair.
Beautiful head of hair.
Oh, she's doing what I could never do. Alright guys, well I'm on my way back home. It's just starting to be dusk. It's really pretty sky. It's a really pretty ride home. It's almost an hour to get to Marie's, but I enjoy the ride and I am about to get back home so that Bob and I can head out for our evening listening to drum and bugle bands. So babe, what are we seeing tonight?
I don't know.
You don't know? You bought the ticket.
I don't know.
It's the national, what are they?
Drum and Bugle.
The national. We're gonna hear bands. Today was the Plymouth Thanksgiving Day Parade, but we did not come to that. And now we're here, and we're probably gonna see some of these bands. There you are, baby. I can't really do selfies. Here we are. We're the only ones. You got us like these little nosebleed seats. They're baby nosebleeds. There's nobody else up here but us. I'll take you, I'll show you what we're listening to as time goes on.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it looks like Lincoln. Look at Lincoln down there.
Abe
It
Lincoln.
is Abe Lincoln.
Ladies and gentlemen, Abe Lincoln just walked in.
He just walked in. I'm going to show you.
Who's the gentleman with the white hair with him? Is that Francis Scott Key?
That, I don't know, but that's Lincoln. Turn around, Lincoln. Doesn't that look like Lincoln?
Bob's already getting really rambunctious in here. He's been...
Feeling sort of tough in here.
I don't know. I got to keep an eye on him tonight. We got our popcorn. We got our Coke. Now we're just going to wait for the show.
We want to welcome you again to the reunion concert this year, America's Hometown Thanksgiving. And I'll tell you right now that it's been a real blessing to have everyone here. Did you enjoy the parade? That's good here. And Drum and Bugle Corps music had a lot to do with the healing of this nation, because it was the individual towns that would produce these corps that would bring patriotism to the fore, that there was a cause worth dying for, and that cause is liberty. The healing of the nation's wounds after the Civil War. And it just so happens today, November the 19th, is the anniversary of the Gettysburg Address. To welcome the 16th President of the United States, President Abraham. Woo!
Wow.
Thank you.
Foursquare 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth upon this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty, and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal.
sounds of the great Drum and Bugle Corps alive and still very acceptable and appreciated.
Unstoppable in the 50s and the 60s. 9 national titles, winning the first World Open, 19 New Jersey Championships, 11 National Dream Contests. Make this corps one of the best and a legend in the land. This is the
Stand by to receive our transmission. Take us out. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I didn't have any idea what you were taking me to, baby. This is amazing.
You like this?
Oh my God, I love this.
You do?
Yeah, it just
You can see it's a full house.
Well, it's...
Behind us is not one person.
Yeah, but there's a lot of people here. This is amazing. Like, I didn't know.
You're here, I'm here, Abe Lincoln was here.
Abe was here.
John Adams.
Yeah, the Pilgrim was here.
A couple of pilgrims. Haven't seen Wilkes Booth yet, but...
It's great, baby. You cannot say that. You're messing things up by saying that.
All right, I won't say that.
Don't say that anymore, baby.
No, it's good night. It's intermission now. Now I'm getting tired.
I know, I was going to say.
It's 8 o'clock.
It's way past your bedtime, baby.
8 o'clock.
No, this is cool. These are like alumni band members, right? They were in college or whatever.
Yeah, some of them might be younger than me.
Yeah, I think quite a few of them are older than us. But I'm very impressed.
Yeah.
It's fun. I'm having... We're kind of like... we gotta wake up, baby. This is supposed to be invigorating.
Yeah.
Hey, you ready to go home?
I am. I can go at any time. Well, there's 4 more bands. We've seen 4 bands. We'll stay for a couple of more.
Yeah, I just didn't know what...
I was going to buy some 50-50 raffle tickets.
She never came over?
And then she walked away from me.
Yeah, well, you didn't put your dollar bills on.
Oh, here she is.
Here she is. All right, good. He's going to go do his breakfast. His 50. He's buying his tickets. No, this is really cool. I hope that you guys enjoy the little montage that I'm going to put together for this video, for this vlog video. I've taken you along with me all day, and I don't know if I'll film tomorrow on Sunday. I have no idea what's on the agenda. Hopefully just chilling out, but yeah, I start my 2-week vacation today, so it's a good way to start it. So yeah, I hope you're having as much fun as I am.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Hero Lancers from Hanover, Pennsylvania. Thank you so much for coming up here to Plymouth.
Well, we had a great night. There's some buses of some of the bands that have a long drive ahead of them tonight. But we're driving home through downtown, and it's so pretty, all lit up. So it's been a really great day, and it is time to head home for bed. It's Sunday, November 20th, and I'm out choosing my turkey for Bob and I for Thanksgiving Day. It's just the two of us. So I am going to get a smaller turkey, and this was the smallest size I could find. And back home, I am making a beef stew. It is a beautiful, cold Sunday afternoon, perfect day for beef stew. I'm gonna let my turkey thaw on the counter for about an hour before I put it in the fridge. It'll be perfectly thawed by Thursday. And I'm just gonna chill out and watch a Christmas movie for the afternoon. Well, my beef stew is all done. It is looking delicious. I will be sure to link the recipe below. It'll be over on my blog. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Take care. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next video.